Looking for Oster blender to buy on Black Friday? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, High Performance Blender for blending just about anything from soup to nuts. The power and versatility needed to support a healthy lifestyle, by Oster. Number 2, Powerful 1100 watt motor for blending perfect smoothies. Control, combination of manual settings for precise control. As well. Number 3, Oster Versa Pro Series Blender. With food processor attachment, blend and go smoothie cups and 4-cup mini jar. For real-time updates and price drops, just click this link below. Black Friday deals are already waiting for you.